Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpen here, and welcome to another model railroading video. So, what I have here are some new stuff I have to lay out, because I've been getting some free time and I'm able to get some new stuff. So, what I have here are some new track, because as you know, I need some track to finish the yard. I got some switches, which are the remote turn out to left ones, because what I need is I just need them to fit on these right here, because they still need them, and some extra straights, because I'm going to need some straights to finish the yard, but it probably won't be completed soon because I still need more track. So I got these, they look really nice. I also got some freight cars as well. These are, by the way, I ordered all of these from TrainWorld, and I used their 4th of July discounts, so it's pretty nice. I have 4 Walters mainline freight cars. So one of them I want to show you guys is this one. We'll start off with this. This is the 50-foot ACF exterior post boxcar, which is, this paint scheme is the Richmond, Fredericksburg, and Potomac Railroad, which I believe this is a CSX fallen flag. I actually got this car because I think it's very nice looking. I'm not sure if I've ever seen one of these when I'm out rail painting, but this is a very stunning paint scheme because I love this door that's like painted silver and such, and the paint job is very nice done. Wow. And then moving on, are 3 Canadian Pacific hoppers. One of them are in the block letters, so there's that. Got 2 of them. These are the 60-foot 5150 3-bay hoppers, 60-foot NSC, because I think you see these a lot on like grain trains and such. So got 2 of them, and then here's another one. This is the Canadian Pacific with the Sioux reporting marks, and then the safety striping in the bottom, which I think the white and the red safety striping on the bottom looks very nice. It's very nice and detailed too, even though it's got no see-through walkways. It's got metal wheels, Chronomax couplers. Everything's looking really nice. Very stunning. You can see. Very nice. So I'm actually really glad because I'll be using some of these rolling stocks for like the CP mixed freights. Like 474 or the 475 operating sessions. So I'm really glad I picked these up, and I might get more of these soon. Like one of them is the with the beaver on it. That's something I might get sometime in the future, and then maybe because these are actually probably my favorite rolling stock that Walters has done, and they're pretty. And then you can get them for some really good deals on these as well. I'm actually picked these up at TrainWorld. They got some good deals. So, anyways, that's just the update I want to share with you guys. So, I'll leave you guys with a little short video of these in action, and I'll see you guys next time.